Would you like to automatically add translated Zoom meeting details to various platforms? With Zapier, that's now possible. In just a few minutes, you can automatically translate your Zoom meeting information and upload it wherever you'd like. As long as you have a Zoom and a Zapier account, we can dive straight in. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing in Zoom to translate on the main page. Then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up Zoom, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Zoom account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the meeting type for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our first action. In Zapier, an action is a task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so you can click Continue and then fill out the details for what you'd like to translate into your app and click Continue once more. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. We'll then need a place to upload our data. In this case, we're going to use Google Calendar. So I'll click Continue once more and then I'll log into my Google account just like I did with my Zoom account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Google Calendar account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever we create Zoom meeting details, the data will automatically be translated and uploaded onto the app of our choice. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if Zoom isn't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.